There it goes. It's tearing up still.
Welcome to Parent Teacher Night. Oh, yes. If you have one of those airline credit cards,
It's going north. We're fine. Oh, it's tearing up stuff. There's debris flying.
you can use Capital One Venture Miles on any travel purchase.
Yep. No, it's tearing up ground. It's hitting the ground. See it? It's on the ground.
What kind
I don't know. It depends. Oh, look at that.
Actually use. With 14 languages and lesson topics like travel, business, relationships, and more, you'll learn what matters most to you. Babbel. Language for life. Learning a language is easy.
Tornado sign. That's amazing. Santa got her first tornado. I told you she'd get one. It's dying out. It looks like it's dying out. What do you guys think? Have you seen your first tornado? Is it kind of cool? Mommy's first one too. It's still on the ground. Oh, it's going by that tower. The cell phone tower is dying out. It's roping out. It won't stay on the ground very long. There it goes. And it's almost gone.
It's gone.
Almost.
Yeah, it's gone. There it goes.
There it goes. And bye-bye, tornado. That was cute.
Bye. Bye. See you later. Maybe see you never.
Oh. That's cute. It's not done yet.